Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the windshield washer reservoir on a Ford Focus. This one is a 2012 model, but it will be the same for the whole generation. Now, as you can see, we removed the bumper already of the vehicle. We need to do some repairs. For that purpose, you might do it without removing the bumper. It's limited room, but that way we'll be able to show you better so you know what to look for. And now right here, you need to pull that wire. That's the one for the level and the one for the pump. So as you can see, it is located on the passenger side of the vehicle in the corner right there. And this one, again, you just press down and pull. Okay, now we have two hoses because this one is the hatchback, the other one you might have only one hose. And you need to push that plastic piece out of there and you just pull it out like that. And this hose is ready, and now we have one more. You want to have some kind of container, but if you're replacing it, probably yours is cracked anyway, so you won't leak too much. Okay, and you remove the second hose like that. Now we have one bolt with 10mm socket that we need to remove. Okay, right there. And we have one more in this corner as well. So a total of two of them. Okay, and now you need to push towards the back of the vehicle because that's where it goes in that glide. And now you can just pull it out of there. As you can see, the top part stays right here. So if you actually remove only the passenger side headlight, you'll be able to remove it without removing the bumper, but this way we can show you better because you'll be very limited room and you won't be able to see it. Thank you guys for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.